be inspired, then let me take you higher. All things beauty, yes, even your soul. Just so you know, you'll go higher with my leg.
Hi guys, so I'm just stopping in to say hello. We just got through filming the first part of Zo's music video. It turned out amazing. They have freaking drones and all type of like heavy equipment and cameras and all types of things, and I'm just living my best life. I have a few minutes. I'm sorry, my shirt is probably covered in makeup. Yeah, I'm the makeup artist on set. I'm also getting some gaff experience, so it's been really cool. The beach is beautiful. Southern California is amazing as always. The weather's great, the lighting's great. Everything's just going as planned. But yeah, I met some cool models today. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. I'm gonna be vlogging more as the day progresses. So yeah, love you guys. Bye.
No.
In his video.
No.
Hey guys, so it's day 2 and yeah, we're having fun. About to get some behind the scenes. We're out here shooting Zo's, well, I'm not shooting, I'm doing makeup, but we're out here for Zo's music video. Zo Baren, he is an artist out of Germany and he's amazing. But yeah, I have my assistant here with me today. She's getting the camera. She's gonna get some behind the scenes. Kind of hear it in the background. It's in another language. He is Algerian, which I think is like North African. There's the girl I do makeup on. She's over here dancing. I'll get some footage right now. But yeah, we're having fun. We're in Venice Beach in LA. Stay tuned.